Hello friends, my name is Ismail Aidil Adha from class 11 TEI. I will explain how to fix an air conditioner. The touch is cool. Enjoy my video. Come on.
The first step is to first check the mode on the AC remote control at a temperature position of 16 degrees Celsius. Then we have to check the indoor AC filter section and make sure the AC fiddler is clean and if the AC filter. After checking the air conditioning filter, we will close the indoor air conditioner again, guys, so that the air doesn't enter the filter. Come on guys, let me tell you why the AC isn't cold. We check the wind temperature. If it's cold, that's a sign that the outdoor AC is lacking freon. If it's hot, it means it's normal, and we also check the AC filter. We check whether the outdoor AC filter is dirty or not. If it's dirty, should it be cleaned so that the air that comes out isn't clogged? We also ignore the pipe hole for filling freon on AC1 PK. If the pipe freezes, it means the freon is still there. Don't forget to check the amperage when charging the freon on the outdoor air conditioner.
Don't forget to subscribe friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.